problem says Keaton loaded a bag of gravel that weighed 50 and 8/10 pounds and a bag of sand that weighed 1 1/2 pounds. How many more pounds of gravel than sand did he load? What am I solving for?
You're solving for how many pounds of gravel than sand.
Yep. How many more pounds of gravel than sand? So if that's what I'm solving for, what do I need to know?
There are
Kylie? The gravel was 50 and 8/10 pounds. Very good. What else? Riley?
there's a bag of sand that weighs 1 1/2 pounds.
Very good. So what problem expression am I going to use to solve this? Anyone have that part written down? Chris? I'm going to subtract 50 and 8/10 minus 1 1/2. Okay, what are my answer choices in decimals or fractions?
Fraction.
Fraction, so what am I going to have to do?
Turn your decimal into a fraction.
Turn my decimal into a fraction. I agree. Okay, I'm going to get a piece of paper. I'm going to show my work over here. $50 and 8/10 minus 1 1/2. I have to turn my decimal to a fraction. Who can tell me how to do that? Dylan.
You underline the last digit
Okay.
and identify the place value.
Okay, what's that place value?
10.
So what's going to be my numerator?
2.
My numerator at the top.
8. 8.
My denominator.
50.
No, what place value is this 8 in?
10.
Okay. So that's my denominator. My whole number is going to stay the same. The number before the decimal point's your whole number there. So that will be my whole number part to my mixed number. Can I do that problem now?
Yes.
Yeah, I can because they're both in fractions, but what do I need to do now?
You need to make it a common denominator.
Okay, what would be my first step to make this a common denominator?
You would have to mixed number.
Turn the mixed number to an
Improper fraction.
improper fraction. 10 times 50 is
500.
500 plus 8 is
508.
denominator would be 10. 1 times 2 is
2.
plus 1 more is. Okay, so I'm going to write my improper fractions underneath here. Alright, so now can I find common denominators?
Yes, you may.
I have a really large numerator, don't I?
Yes.
Everyone, listen closely to this. Since this numerator is so large and this denominator is bigger than this denominator, before I find the multiples of these, I'm going to extend this denominator to see if I can get it to equal this. Does that make sense?
Yes.
If it doesn't, then I need to extend these, okay? But if I can get it to just equal up to that, then I don't have to do anything with all these big numbers up here. 4, 6, 8, Yes, my denominator will end up being, say it again. 10, yes. There's the 10 there, the 10 there. So, I'm going to go off to the side and do 508 minus 15. 8 minus 5 is
8 minus 5 is
3. 0 minus 1.
Can't do that.
Okay, 10 minus 1.
Is 9.
4 minus 0.
4.
So I have 493 tenths. Now what do I need to do?
You need to make it
Into a mixed number by doing what? Dividing. Place value holders. Can 10 go into 4?
No.
Can 10 go into 49?
Yes.
How many times?
4.
If I put a 4 on top, what goes on the bottom?
40.
Subtract and get 9. Bring down. How many times can 10 go into 93?
9.
If I put a 9 on top, what goes on the bottom?
90.
Alright, I have nothing else to bring down, but I have a remainder. That remainder becomes my denominator is 10. So 493 tenths is also equal to
3 tenths.
very good. 49 and 3 tenths. Questions?
No.
Comments?
No.
Concerns?
No.
Okay. We're gonna go ahead and pack up to go outside.